tried, pulled by your claws into the dark night. Proposed a deal with me under the moonlight. Didn't think it'd crash so hard, so I said alright. A stormy cloud then rained right over me. Got on my knees and fled for mercy. The softness you showed me, what before was lost for me by my petals or petals. I need my sunlight near the thunderbolt. I've fallen back, I'm trapped in a deep hole. You can white and laugh when I need your hands. I think I'm starting to understand. Our pretty planet revolves in one path, not around you. We're all tired of your wrath. You're not the one and only. Acting like a ruby with so much worth. Needed flattery ever since birth. No others will make you whole.
You're so mean, it's not fetch. Your narcissistic behavior isn't a catch. You're always in pink like Regina. You're rude like her too. And calling someone stupid doesn't make you any smarter. And calling someone fat doesn't make you any skinnier. You come at trust with scissors. Now you three are winners. It's so annoying when you call me a bitch. You're such a hypocrite. You will never scratch your desired itch because you are a narcissist.
Our pretty planet revolves in one path, not around you. We're all tired of your wrath. You're not the one and only. Acting like a ruby with so much worth. Needed flattery ever since birth. No others will make you whole. Is this what you wanted, or was it not?